In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a to-do in Basecamp. We'll walk through logging in, creating a to-do list inside your project, and adding a task with the right assignee, notifications, and due date. By the end, you'll have a clear process you can repeat for any project. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Basecamp login page. Enter your email address and continue. On the next screen, enter your password and sign in. If your account uses extra security, follow the prompts to verify. Keep your credentials private and only log in on trusted devices. Once you're in, make sure you're on the home screen. If you're not, click Home to get there. From Home, open the project where you want to add your to-do. Choose the project that actually owns the work so it's easy for your team to find and track later. Inside the project, look for the option to make a to-do list. Click that to begin. If you see a prompt for a new list, select New List. Give your list a clear descriptive name that reflects the group of tasks it will contain, like Launch Checklist or Q1 Reporting. Good naming helps everyone understand the scope at a glance. You'll also see an option to track this list on the hill chart. Turn this on if you want to visualize progress over time. The hill chart is great for bigger bodies of work because it shows the shift from figuring things out to executing with confidence. If you don't need that visibility, you can leave it off. When your list name and tracking preference look good, click Add this list to save it. Now you're ready to add an individual to do inside that list. Set the assignee so there's a clear owner. Assigning one person helps avoid confusion. Others can still collaborate in comments. Next, choose who should be notified when the task is completed. This sends a heads up to the right people without creating unnecessary noise. Add only those who truly need the update so your team's inbox stays focused. Then select the due date. Pick a realistic date based on the scope and any dependencies. If timing is tight, consider breaking the work into smaller to-dos so progress is more visible and deadlines are easier to meet. When everything is set, click Add this to-do. That's it, your task is created inside the list you made. You can repeat these steps to add more tasks as needed, and your team will have a clear, trackable plan to work from.